Hey everyone, in today's video we are talking about the Bluehost affiliate program. Now if you're wondering why on earth I'm talking about Bluehost today, it's not because I'm going to try to sell you Bluehost. In fact, the primary reason that we're talking about Bluehost today and their affiliate program is because I've been getting a ton of questions on the channel lately about affiliate marketing and how to get started promoting affiliate products and how to, how to decide what product is a good type of product to promote and where you can get started in the rest. And so lately I've just been doing videos about evaluating potential affiliate programs and comparing sort of the pros and cons of each and how you might promote it. And so today we are talking about Bluehost. In the last week or two, I also covered a couple different hosting platforms. We talked about Green Geeks and we talked about SiteGround so far before making this video. As far as commissions go, both Green Geeks and SiteGround had more of a set of tiers, right? The more that you referred, the more that you earn. And so at the lowest tier, you could earn $50 a sign up, but as you referred more and more people, with Green Geeks, you could get up to $100 per sign up. And with SiteGround, beyond that, you could actually have more than $100 per sign up once you get to a certain threshold. With Bluehost, on the other hand, there aren't any tiers. It's just 65 straight across the board, 65 US dollars for every referral that you make that signs up and pays, right? You don't get any money for referring someone to the website or for entering their email or anything else. If they buy before the cookie expires, then you get $65. And so it is competitive with the other platforms. I think it's better for people who aren't necessarily referring a lot of affiliates. So if you're only going to get less than 5 signups in a month, then it's definitely better to go with Bluehost. But as far as getting more and more of those, if you think those other hosting companies are equivalent or better, you may want to promote those other products. Now, as far as Bluehost as a product, would I promote it? I would promote it. I think I've used Bluehost myself in the past. I'm actually using it now on one of my websites for hosting. I think that it does the job and it's really beginner friendly. It's a really easy platform to get started with hosting, especially if you don't know very much about connecting up domain names and managing all of the back end in the cPanel, all that stuff. You can avoid doing most of that stuff with Bluehost, so it makes it easy to promote, especially when you are already using it. I don't have anything, really negative to say about it. Once I got past sort of the beginner's overwhelm, there was some things I wanted to do more with it. I didn't find the back end quite as intuitive. And actually like SiteGround a lot better for the tools in the background that you don't see up front. But I do think it is worth recommending, and because you can earn up to $65 a sign up, I think that's why a lot of people out there promote Bluehost over SiteGround and over some of the other options. So we talked about the product. The product seems good enough. It's an evergreen product. It's hosting. There are plenty of problems to solve that involve hosting. The money, I think, is fairly lucrative, and Bluehost is a reputable company, so I don't worry too much about them not paying. I mean, it's a big company. And how you would promote it, you would promote it simply by solving problems where Bluehost is part of the solution. Most times you'd see it where people want to start websites or start online businesses or start something that involves having a domain name and a website. Having hosting at some point is going to come into play unless somebody is going through something like Shopify or something else that takes the care of the hosting and the domain name for you. So there's plenty of room out there. Hosting is something a lot of people are promoting, so it doesn't necessarily mean that you should only promote hosting, but if you can find creative ways to make Bluehost or other hosts as part of the solution to the problem that you're solving, then there's plenty of room there for you to jump in and sell some hosting. So this is my discussion, my review of the Bluehost affiliate program. They have all of the standard stuff. They have, unique links, banners. They even have an affiliate program manager. If you need to call and talk to someone about being an affiliate or you need advice, they are fairly helpful for you. So if you have any questions, comments, thoughts, concerns, please leave them in the comments. As you know, or may not know, I love to respond to comments and answer questions. And so yeah, hit me with them. Thanks so much, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.